Good evening, my dear students. This revision for Prep 2. Okay. Question 1. Complete the following. 1. The longest side in the right angled triangle is. Yes, the longest side in the right angled triangle is the hypotenuse, because it is opposite to the greater angle, which is right. Next one. If the measure of two angles are different means angle is greater than another angle. In a triangle, then the greater in measure is opposite to, yes, the greater angle is opposite to greater side, and converse, like the greater side is opposite to greater angle. Then the answer of this question is greater angle is opposite to greater side. Okay. Question 3. If triangle ABC in which AB greater than AC, then measure angle C and measure B. Measure angle C is opposite to AB and measure B is opposite to AC. How? The missing letter, the triangle is ABC. AB, the missing letter C. Then the opposite angle to the side AB is angle C. And the opposite angle to side AC is angle B. AB is greater than AC, then measure angle C is greater than measure angle B. The same sign. If we set measure B, yes, it will be less than measure angle C. Number 4. The base angles of the isosceles triangle are congruent. Congruent, it means that they are equal in measure. Number 5. The triangle has 3 axes of symmetry. Yes, the triangle which has 3 axes of symmetry is the equilateral triangle, and the isosceles triangle has 1 axis of symmetry, and the scalene triangle hasn't any axis of symmetry. Okay. Number 6. The point of congruence of the medians of any triangle divides each median in the ratio what from its base. Yes, from base the ratio is 1 to 2, and from vertex is 2 to 1. Number 7. The length of the side which opposite to angle of measure 30 in the right angled triangle equals how of length of hypotenuse? Yes, half the length of hypotenuse. The opposite side to angle of measure 30 in the right angled triangle equals half length of the hypotenuse, and the hypotenuse equals twice the length of the side. Okay. Next question. In the opposite figure, AD is parallel to BC. Measure angle DAC equal 50 and measure angle BAC equal 70. Prove that BC is greater than AC. Okay. How to prove this? At first, BC, what is the opposite angle to the side BC? BC, the opposite angle to it is A, which is its measure equal 70. And AC, what is the opposite angle to it? AC, the opposite angle to it is angle B. But we must obtain the measure of angle B. Okay. From the givens, we have AD is parallel to BC. Then measure angle DAC equal measure angle ACB equal 50, because these two angles are alternate angles, and the alternate angles are equal in measure. Then measure angle ACB equal 50. Okay. How to get measure angle B? Measure B, it is a triangle ABC. The sum of interior angle of the triangle ABC equals 180. Then measure angle B equals 180 minus 70 plus 50 equals 60. Now we have measure angle A is 70 and measure angle B equals 60. The opposite side to the greater angle is the greater in length. Then measure angle A is greater than measure angle B. It is 70 and angle B equal 60. Then the opposite side to angle 70 is BC, is greater than the opposite side to angle BAC. Okay, this is the proof of this question. Okay, next question. ABC D is a quadrilateral in which BA equal BC and AD equal DC equal AC. We have two triangles. The first one, ABC, is an isosceles triangle, and 40 is the vertex angle because it is the angle between the two equal sides. How to get the base angles of the isosceles triangle BAC and BCA? It is the vertex. To get the measure of the base angles, we subtract 40 from 180 and divide the result by 2. Then measure angle BAC equal measure angle BCA equal 180 minus 40 divided 2 equal 70. يبقى measure angle ABAC equal measure angle BCA equal 70. The other triangle ADC, it is an equilateral triangle. The equilateral triangle, the measure of each angle of it equal 60. Okay, then measure angle DAC equal measure angle DCA equal measure angle ADC equal 60. I want the measure of angle DAB. This angle consists of two angles. The first, in the equilateral triangle, it was measure 60, and the other from the isosceles 60. Then the measure of angle DAB equal 60 plus 70 equal 130. It's a proof. Okay, let's go to another question.